Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm back with another amazing recipe.
Chicken Lahori Chargha.
Without any delay, let's begin the video. You will need 1 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ tablespoon crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 pinches of orange food color. Mix all the ingredients together. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in the mixture. Now take chicken cut into tikka pieces and mark cuts over it as shown in the video. I have used almost 1 kg chicken. Marinate chicken for at least 1 hour. Fry marinade chicken in heated oil till it is golden, crisp, and completely cooked. Sprinkle chaat masala over it. And it's ready to serve. If you liked the video, give it thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, bye!